We are starting the day. We're trying to get everything done, and I'm going to bring you along. So first things first, let's make the bed. Drink some water. I'm trying to start the day. Clean up everything. We have a little candy stash. My tiny house does not have a kitchen. So sometimes you just want a snack. Cleaning off the nightstand. It is so easy to go from it's fine to why is there no room? So doing that now. Like, I've got bathroom cleaner in here. Let me go put that in the bathroom and clean this off and I'll be back. I changed. So this is everything I bought on Amazon. So in my defense, I had some things in my Amazon cart for a while that I knew I needed before we go to Alaska. It is cold today and that is not normal. 45 and I'm in my house and I'm freezing. I need to put socks. I did not want to be cold and this is a big trip, so I did not want to forget anything or not splurge on the things that I knew I needed. Like, I know what I need for a Caribbean cruise, but when it could be cold, I don't know. So first thing I got was a hard drive. This was the most expensive thing. I got a hard drive to be able to back up everything off my phone because I'm planning on videoing and vlogging and trying to do this, so to be able to back up off of my phone. This perfectly fits that. Hard drive carrying case. This warmer jacket, I don't know if you can see it, it's got like fuzzy on the inside. I got this for my husband because I have already splurged and bought a coat from Torrid for me. So for a warmer jacket, I don't think it was bad. I think it was like $40. That was one of the reasons that pushed me to click buy right at the moment, because it was on sale. So the next thing he got are these super thin hoodies. It's a t-shirt, but it's long sleeve and it's got a hood. So he really likes these. I don't know why, but if he likes them, and his are a couple years old, so we just repurchased those, so I know he's gonna love these. I got a 2-pack of gloves. These were like $10. Again, I don't like being cold. That is going to be the theme with today. I was gonna borrow my dad's binoculars, but he said I lost them. And then I got home yesterday and he had his out, and I'm like, I lost them? I think you lost them, but whatever. So I got a new pair of binoculars, so you can use these to charge your phone. So I got some ham warmers since we're flying, and we don't normally fly. And the last time we flew for a cruise, we flew Southwest, which is a whole nother debacle right now. If you've watched this far, how do you feel about the whole Southwest thing in the comments? So I got some luggage tags. So when we flew before, we had plenty of allowance, plenty of room, plenty of checked bags. But this time is not like that. So we got some clear luggage tags because I normally bring a thing of tape. And I figured these would take up a whole lot less room than tape. I've had them before. I'm not going to say I love them. They were okay. I left the luggage tags in them too long and they stained. The ink stained. I got a stick sunscreen because we have spray sunscreen, but apparently we don't use it right. I wanted to get something that was more, you know, like a deodorant, like you rub and then you have to rub it in. Because we went on a cruise in January and me and my husband got sunburned and he ended up with some blisters. I don't want that to happen again. So I got some leggings. They're my favorite leggings. I like how thick they are. These might have to go back. But I got some leggings. I wanted something to be able to wear under my jeans if I wanted jeans and I was cold. I did not need this. I think it's so pretty. And it's kind of neutral even though it's got a pattern. So if I have a top, it will liven it up. It's plain, like I have on currently. These leggings are for my mom. It's because she's going on the trip with us. We had tried to buy her some new leggings for Disney, and they had come in small enough to fit my 9-year-old sister. But she didn't look at them when she got them, so we couldn't return them. Now we're going to try these. So again, Gotta make sure we try everything on. This is not for Alaska, but this is a shower curtain that doesn't have hooks that you hook on a shower curtain rod. It's got these like little like hotel ones where you run 2 through 1 like hole. And it's also like a hotel where you unsnap the plastic one, and the plastic one can be run through like a delicate cycle in your washer. I figured this would be better. I've got gloves and a scarf to match. Again, I just want to be warm. And I've got other hat options, but I wanted a couple of scarf options and a couple of glove options. I did not love these gloves because the fingers, it's a different fabric. I didn't love this. It's supposed to make you be able to use your phone, but that is why I got the other ones. Obviously, the pom-pom. Okay. And then my last thing that was not in my cart for a while is new Bagsmart compression bags for traveling. I'd gotten a set of these that were like orange. Well, I misplaced some of them. And I'm getting better about organization. I still can't find them. They could be in my mom's house. They could be at my husband's family's house. I don't know. So I got a new set. They were really good compression bags. I had gotten some off of Amazon haul that were not good. I just wanted the option because we've got a lot of fluffy stuff to try to condense down to as small of a size as possible. That is my Amazon haul. It is time to put laundry away. That basket of clothes is put up. I've got some Bath and Body Works sprays. We're going to make a pile over here of stuff that I know I want to keep. Okay. So I think I've got everything put away that needs to be, or that can be put away. So now I need to get ready because I'm going out with my mom and dad later. It is 9:15, so I've been constantly going since I got out of bed. And like the rest of my house, my bathroom is a work in progress. Not just with organization and stuff, but with like it being complete. I need to prioritize this. So let me do this and I'll come back. I am waiting on my hair to dry and I need to get some clothes on because I don't think I'm gonna wear this out even though I am freezing. Let's try to find some clothes. The easiest outfit I could find, excuse my crazy hair, was I already have leggings on, I already have a long sleeve shirt on, and I am still cold. It is still 45 degrees. So I have a Star Wars Spirit jersey that I'm gonna put on. The place I'm going to, I worry about like getting food on me because I'm a messy eater. Especially at Korean barbecue because I'm constantly like grabbing kimchi and the kimchi liquid like drips on me. Take my Spirit jersey off when we are there. This is not the cutest outfit, but it'll work. Should I throw jeans on? I don't know. I decided, yes, I'm gonna wear jeans because I feel like it puts an outfit together better than the leggings that I was wearing. I think I just need shoes, and I think I'm gonna go in my mom's house and put some makeup on. Might as well use the sprays. So far, I've got this and a pair of jeans. I've been trying to work my way through classic books. One of the books that I have read has been, or one of the authors that I have read a few of, is Jane Austen. So I recently read Pride and Prejudice, and to me, it was good. It was probably one of the better classics I've read, because classics are generally not my thing. There's a reason I haven't read them yet. I really liked Elizabeth Bennet and her character, because you know everyone makes snap judgments, but what classics do y'all recommend? Because I've got a few more that I'm trying to read. That did not go as planned. Anyway, I've got a few more classics that I am trying to read. Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte. That is one that I need to read still. I have it borrowed. I've also got another Jane Austen. Let me look, because I have it borrowed on my Kindle. Charlotte Bronte and Persuasion. So I've read a few this year. Little Women was okay. It felt a little preachy to me, like very 1800s Protestant, but it wasn't horrible. Sense and Sensibility was the first Jane Austen I read, the first like classic I ever read, and it wasn't my favorite, but I try to intersperse them with like contemporary romance or something that's not a classic. Like I think I read The Devil's Lair by Penny D before that.